Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian dollar took a brief challenge towards the key level of 63.85 and staged a relatively firm bounce. And from that, the RSI is also supporting the current price structure and therefore looking towards the region of 64.80 area and maybe even on towards the top side of 65 to 66 as a potential target. Now this bullish call holds while we remain above 63.85. Along with that, all eyes on the RBA as they're about to announce their rates. Looking at the euro, the market is a little bit weaker, but holding along with this short-term trend, which you can see comes in around 98.60 area. In light of the weaker pattern, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, edges slightly higher from 110.60 to 110.70. Not really much movement there. Nevertheless, I feel that the euro still has potential to climb up towards 103 as an initial target and 101 as an interim target. And therefore, as long as we remain above this trend, the bulls are likely to navigate higher. The dollar yen was a little bit further overnight, but still backing away from the hesitation topside challenge. And that is still looking possibly for a weaker play into today. That could look towards the 147 area, maybe even lower. I still feel from the broader aspect, if you look at this whole pattern, that the market could even drop even lower towards 145 to 143. All eyes on this Thursday when the Bank of England is expected to hike rates 75 base points. And if so, could see a very whipsaw price action. Still, the market was a little bit weak overnight, but still respecting that 114.5. And in light of the current structure of the pattern, I still feel there is further up to challenges to come and looking towards a region of 116 to 118 as a target. Wrapping up with gold, the market crushed the level of 1,638 and now looks lower to 1,621 as a potential target, with any advances likely to be limited. And looking to oil, the market was relatively weaker overnight as it took the challenge back towards the 84 region. And after much hesitation around that 88 area, is still on track towards a target somewhere around $83 to $81 a barrel. That wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.